Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Tami, and by the title of the video you already know it's a Q&A video. But before we get into that, let me just shout out a few YouTubers who have been supporting me. Alright, so the name of their channel, Tony and Tiana Laws 876. They're an LGBT couple. Tony is trans, Tiana is queer, and they do challenges, games, and other stuff like that. Next person, Life with Mo Angel. She does beauty, lifestyle, girl talk, games, and challenges. Very entertaining. Check her out as well. Next person is Angel Love. She do adventure, traveling, positive vibes, games, and stuff like that. Check her out. And next we have Alyssa Cole. I hope I pronounced that right. She does beauty reaction videos, vlogs, and more. And also this other person I want to big up is Jen Brown. She's not a YouTuber. She's one of my followers. She has been supporting me all the time. Like any video I put up and stuff, she always share it without me. Tell people to share my videos and stuff, like always. So big up yourself, Jen. I appreciate you. Now let's get into the video. Alright, so let's see me have my book, guys. The phone when I use record now. I got the questions them answer. I just did like write them the questions them. And let me just say this disclaimer first. For the persons who maybe ask me a question and you not see me answer it, that question is either inappropriate or too personal, so I'm not answer it. So if you're going to comment them, oh, I'm not hear my question, I'm not hear my question, obviously then it fall under one of those categories. Alright? I ask my IG followers to ask me questions and I will be answering them on my YouTube channel. And these are the answers right now. Alright? Here we go. First one. Do you and your wife want other kids? No, let me be honest. Actually, may I be honest with all of my answers them right now. My wife, she would love, like, spot on right now, she would have just love for me to say yes. And my wife, she would have want other kids, want us to have a child together and everything. But for me, I'm like no. We just have to be honest. We just have to be honest. That is exactly how it is. I know and I like the baby that go have the baby and like and do all of that. But it's just like me not think me ready. You know, maybe 30 years from now or so. But me not get our hopes up, so me not even go elaborate on it too long. But for now it is a no. Alright? Next question. Which high school did you attend? I went to Iona High School, that's in Tower Isle, St. Mary's, Jamaica. Yeah. Next question. Do you see yourself back in the hotel industry since you live here now? For me, I would say being in the hotel industry, that was a good place, a great place to start, or for anybody who want to get into the working world and get experience and stuff. But now, me not see myself I go back there unless it's a hotel like maybe Wyndham or some high paying hotel, because me know I have a lot to contribute to them company. But as far as that goes, then no. I kind of do my own business thing and also, yeah, that's where that is. Next question. What's your biggest pet peeve? Oh, I really don't know. Like, me know say, me really can't think of none at the top of my head right now. Like, to be extremely honest, I cannot. But me know one thing when me find like really annoying or irritating is like, say you want somebody make a plan, right? And you say, alright, you are do this and you are do that, and the deadline is that certain time. And then when they come down to the day, the person know do what them supposed to do, or then go and like they don't remember, or then come an hour before the deadline and be like, we supposed to do this and we're supposed to do that. That one thing, like, ignorant. Me get ignorant. So just mother said that is maybe something that really irritate me or me annoyed about, like people will just maybe not keep them word or stuff like that. You know what I mean? Something like that. You know. What's the best business advice you can give to someone who wants to start their own business? Alright, for me, best business advice, I would say you have to make sure, say, you have to invest in yourself. You know what I mean? Starting a business, it is very expensive. I can tell you that. My wife can tell you that. It's very expensive. And if you go in at it, make sure, say, you're not dependent on that the business there where your money come in so you live. You know what I mean? You can't depend on your business. Feel like take care of you and take care of your family. You have to make sure, say, when you're going out with a plan or something where you're really passionate about, and you have to head strong, say, even though you're not going to maybe kick off as how you want it and you're not make money, even though maybe your friends or family members say, yeah man, going out, man. No bother about you, let your job where you already do and say, you're going to start your business or take out loan and say, you'll go all in, you know what I mean? Not do that. Take a little time and chickle, you know what I say? Take a little time and chickle, yeah. You have people who say they will support you, and at the end of the day, when that time come, they don't, them back out, you know, see breeze blow from them or ear breeze blow from them or see ear from them. And you have to make sure, say, you're not discouraged, because in your business, you have to make sure you are the one who promote your business, invest in your business, time, money, patience, everything, quality products, you know what I mean? Because you can't go wrong when you sell quality stuff. You will make your price fund that. You see if a fake and then knock off things there and you sell them for much money, you know, say you beat your butt. When your things them are good, high standard quality, you stand by your price because them get what them are pay for, you know what I mean? Make sure say your business represents you, and just be very passionate about it. And nobody give away your product, them and give away your things to friend and all of that. Say you're into maybe eyelash or whatever. You know your friend them all out to wear lashes and so you have to, your friend find it hard to support you and buy a lash from you, but they will buy other mink lash or whatever from somebody else. You know what I mean? And they will say, oh, we are friend, why you can't give me that? And they don't know how much money you spend to put in a business. Not even thinking maybe if them buy a lash from you because you're not a friend, you will give them an extra one. You know that little way there? So don't be discouraged if your friend and family not support you, because honestly we can say for our business, it's not the friends them we support with. It is strangers, like literally strangers, not even they not even follow you on Instagram nor social media. Them are like literally strangers that support your business. So don't stop. If you're passionate about something, just take a little time. No boy you take out no loan on them something they going to bankruptcy. Save your money, pick up your business yourself. Yeah. That's my advice that I have to give for now. As guys, as you can see, I run really fast. I decided to not make that video too long. So I just like get it out, make it fast and spicy. Yeah? Alright. Next question. I have natural hair. Even though it's growing, it's also breaking. What can I do to stop the breakage? Well, you come to the right place, girl. Right place, yeah. You know, Tami is the natural hair specialist. Alright, for me, what I say, first thing first, every hair break, whether I natural, whether I unnatural, whichever category you want to put it in, every hair break, my hair break, and you see how me try to the best to take care of it. But you have to make sure, say guys, when you hear a break, you have to clip your hair. Yes. You have to make sure, like for me, every month or so, me probably clip my hair myself. If you can't do it yourself, or you don't know how to, get a professional to do it, a professional stylist, because sometimes your ear end already damaged, so no matter how you try to grow, it just always have the keep breaking and a break drastically. You know, you have to make sure, say, when you clip your ends, you treat your ear. Next thing, see me here, may have videos and all of that too. How to steam your hair, how to take care of your natural hair tips, you can check them out. Make sure you tie your hair at night time because that breaks your hair as well. And just try, oh, the sun damage your hair as well, because your hair will get dry out from the sun, and you know when your hair dry, it breaks. So just try and make sure your hair always moisturize, hydrate, Make sure you leave leave-in conditioner. Keep your hair moisturized. You know, basically stuff like that. Guys, how may I read out the questions? This is exactly how the persons them send me. So I'm like, no, you can't read or all of that. It's same thing. And the same way I read it out as it is. Who did the propose and who cried? Alright, so I proposed to my wife, and fun fact, at that time I not even did have the ring yet to rot it. When we say no ring, tell me so, how you propose without ring? And she said yes, and I think all the two of us start ball. Mama, ball on your whole place. Yes. And that was a very memorable moment to me because normally, you know, it is every, would I say, woman's wish to be proposed at the right place, the right time, with the right ring. You know what I mean? And at that time, made it have it in mind already to bring out everything plan. But the thing is, in that moment, we were just in this deep conversation, and the moment it just seemed right, and me like, I feel do this now, me can't wait, you know what I mean? Me just ask the question right then and there. Then we come with a long speech before, and then the question, yeah, come with the mood and the story and everything. And then she said yes. Look at God, man. Look at God. Cause me, I said no, sir. Nobody now say yes without a ring, but when I say it's a risk, me take. And like me could wait. I could have waited until, but it time did just right. It's like when me ask it, me cannot get a no. I cannot get a no. This is it. This is the time, and yes. And you know she have a ring now and so. And everything good. Everything awesome. Let me have to go good on story time because you know that is a whole nother topic. And as me say, I want to keep the video short, so I'm not going to drag straight away from the Q&A video. Oh, next question. How did you meet your wife? Alright, this question has been burning. People have been asking us this question from day one. Now, as I said, this is a Q&A video, so you can't expect me to go in at everything and go no. I do a story time on that, but I'm going to tell you now how we meet. Alright, how we met, it was at a restaurant. I don't call it the restaurant name, in Jamaica. And I was there, I did on my lunch break. I know I just go buy food and eat from there, yeah. I'm there at the restaurant now, and I eat. And she come there, she come at the restaurant and thing. She come up to me and say, hey, I noticed you, you know, you work at the resort where I'm staying. And I say, yeah, whatever, welcome and then something there. And she say, what's good here? And I say, well, I'm eating chicken. That's all I eat. Cause if you don't know me, I am a chicken lover. I come like no other meat, no exist people. I'm eating chicken, but you know if you want to try something, you can try curry goat. I say, alright. She tried the curry goat. And we did it and just go and eat and talk and stuff. And yeah, we just talk, you know, we become friends and everything, cause we're not friend people. Friends first. Me not say just running and nothing, you know, it's like friends first. The whole relationship thing, no, and none of mine at all, you know what I mean? None at all. And first of all, my wife straight to this day, she's straight, like she don't like woman, none at all. So I just like my genuine good friend. And she's straight, me gay, and then why am I tell you guys I make no mistake? None. When I your time, people are your time, alright? And love, you never see it coming. And the next thing you know, unconditional. Alright, where am I? Next question, I'm gonna do a story time on that. If you need a story time on that, guys, it's full of everything. Comment down below, story time, and you know what's the, I give it on about my story time. But in other story time, then I'm not say it by myself. My wife have to go in another video they took And now I just tell my side of the story, you know what I feel? Yeah. Here we go. What's your favorite drink? Well, I know my favorite drink was growing up. Let's say growing up like when me a 6, Jesus Christ, hell no. Like when I start drinking them things, then I used to love Magnum. And then my taste bud changed. Me used to love Red Stripe, sorrel beer. Yeah, sorrel beer. And then my taste bud change, and then me fall in love with Dragon. Like, no, Dragon are my favorite on the go drink. Otherwise, like mixed drinks also, anything my wife makes, I drink it. Nice, sweet like a tea, like a professional bartender. So yeah, man, nice. And we love like when we go hotel and them place there, we always order like blue Hawaiian. We can't deal with the drinks when they're red. We like, you know, drinks with color and with levels, and they look at with they look at umbrella and they look at strong, they look at, yeah, you know, they look at, yeah. So, but on the go drinks, Dragon, and they on the road in the streets, you know, quick and easy. Or regular drink, anything my wife make, or resort drinks, blue Hawaiian. Also, if you like my t-shirt, as you can see, pink coat, summer flex, sunshine, female energy, Street Dance Life Tami series. Yes, check out our clothing line. It's called Street Dance Life Tami series on Instagram or on Facebook. You can check it out. May I put the link in the description box below. Let me know what you think. We have these shirts in black, red, yellow, gray, purple, blue, orange, white. Basically any color you can think of, we got it. And also we have crop top for the ladies, you know, everyone come out, and so we got Razorback spaghetti straps. So yeah, you can check that out too. Just want to say, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Do remember to like this video, comment your favorite part down below. Also comment, you know, if you want to hear the story time, and so you make me know. Run it up. Remember, say I'm on my way to 500 subscribers now. Help me get there, guys. And remember, if you want to be shouted out in my next video, just leave your comment down below, and so, and I will see you in the comment section. I normally reply to like all of my comment them. May reply to every single one. So may not miss you. Remember to just continue support for support. Yeah, bless up on yourself. Take care. Peace out.